All right, so welcome back to part 2 with this one here. Notice we've got our coefficients out here, our whole numbers and our fractions, and we got thirds and halves and sixths, and it's just kind of a mess here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to express each of these things in the least common denominator. In this case, it's going to be 6. So even if I don't have a number out here, or if it's a whole number, I'm just going to express it as something out of 6. And I'm going to group these 6 on one side of an arrow and these 6 on another side of an arrow, and then we're going to see if we can cancel everything out to get back to our original equation. So here I've got, I'm going to switch colors. Let's see. I'm feeling green today. Let's do a dark green. All right. So I've got 6/6 of iron oxide. And I've got 1/3 is going to be 2/6 of carbon dioxide. And I've got 3/6 Fe2O3, or iron 3 oxide. And that's solid. And 3/2 will become 9/6 carbon monoxide. And I've got 2/6 iron 4 oxide, and I'll squeeze this down here, 1/6 carbon dioxide, and that's going to yield, I'm just going to write it down here, 1/3 is 2/6 Fe3O4 as a solid, and then 1/3 is 2/6 CO. I'm just changing these guys up here. And then that's for iron, that's going to be 6/6 Fe as a solid. And then 3/2 again is going to be 9/6 carbon dioxide. And 3/6, now I'm onto these guys, iron 3 oxide. And then 1/6 carbon monoxide. All right, so if we look at these, we're going to see if we can cancel some things out or combine like terms. If we notice here, I've got carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide, so they're on the same side of our equation here. So I'm just going to make this 3/6 carbon dioxide, and I can get rid of this. It doesn't look like there's anything else I can get rid of on this side just yet. Down here, let's see if I can combine like terms. This was 1/6 carbon monoxide and 2/6 carbon monoxide. This will give us 3/6 carbon monoxide if I combine them, so I'll get rid of that. Let's see if we can cancel out any of the other stuff here. So I've got 3/6 carbon dioxides over here and 9/6 carbon dioxides over there. This will change this into just 6/6 or 1. And this can cancel out. And then over here I've got 9/6 carbon monoxide and 3/6 carbon monoxide over here. If I just take 3 away from the 9, that'll give me 6/6, which will just give me 1. And then I can cancel that all out. Let's see, I've got 3/6 iron 3 oxide and 3/6 iron 3 oxide, so I can cancel that out. And I'll cancel that out. And this should leave us, let's see, anything else to cancel out? 2/6 iron 4 oxide on this side, and 2/6 iron 4 oxide on this side. So this boils down to FeO plus carbon monoxide. That's a solid. That's a gas. Yields, well, 6/6 is just 1 iron plus carbon dioxide. So that means now all I have to do is sum up all of these guys here. I'm just going to take negative 19 divided by 3. I'm going to add it to negative 25 divided by 2. And I'm going to add that to negative 47 divided by negative 6. And if I do this, I should end up with a delta H naught of, let's see. I just had it. Where did I write that down? 11. Negative 11 kilojoules. I think for all that work, we should hope for something bigger than this. You know, it just doesn't seem very rewarding to do all that and just get 11. But so be it. That is what it is. So that was a